Hello, my name is Adrian Garcia Ortiz. I am a psychologist at the hospital. I have to work to 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. I take a bus to go to work every day. I have a lot of work to do. Every day I have 12 patients, but my job is very rewarding because I need to speak with the people about their life, and that isn't one of those. I have a big responsibility because the people uh, trust in me. My colleagues are nice people. When I have last time, we go to drink coffee. In my job, I often interview patients and give diagnostic tests. Sometimes I might provide individual, family, or group psychotherapy. Also, I collaborate with physicians and other specialists to develop treatment and intervention. I love my job. I like my profession because I can help others. I love listening to them, being able to support them, accompanying them in this personal process, couple and family improvement. Being a psychologist is a rewarding profession because I am proud every time a patient leaves with a smile from the office. I think that is the best profession. However, I don't like the work day because it's very long. I don't like to get up early. Uh, I must wake up at 6 a.m. Uh, I don't like the transportation because uh, I must take to get to work, and when I get to work, I find a line of patients to attend. I don't like it. It looks very disorganized. Thank you.